Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with B. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to play note by note this amazing solo from Dimebag Darrell of Pantera. Walk, show reel. Welcome back to another episode, man. In today's episode, we're going to play this solo. I'm going to teach you every secret that I know of course. And to play along, you got to tune to this note. It's D standard. Let's start. He starts here. So he does a full bend on A, 14th fret, but he does like with the pinky, he's playing as well the second string in the 15th fret. So it sounds like this. And that's a very cool vibrato on 15 on the second string. So that will be the intro of the solo. Then we're going to the very cool lick. The lick is as follows. So he's doing a downstroke on the second string, upstroke on the third string. So he's doing this. You can see it in the other camera. And then he moves on with this. Very cool, actually, very original for metal. You know, he's playing this country music licks, make it sound so really badass. Like, and then again, continue with this style of playing, very unique for Dimebag. So when he does that kind of bend there, he helps himself with the bar. You can do it like this. On G. Let's recap here. So what we have so far. I'm going to play slow enough so you can get the idea. So that's the note you got to get to. And then we do it in the 5th fret on the 3rd and 2nd string. He plays that lick. And then we get into the phase where he does the fake echoes, what he like to call it. All right, so let's get to the part. So basically he's doing this. But he's kind of fast, so he's doing both hands. And then he plays, does this with the left. So with the right hand, he's flipping the string. Like when he gets to here on the 13th fret, he does this. And then we're getting close to the end when he does this. And then so I don't have a 22 fret guitar, but I'm able to pull it off anyways with it. So he's doing, when he gets to the end, he's supposed to play 22. Once you do the full bend here, you play the second string. All right, so let's recap the whole solo from the beginning till the end. That's it, man. That's the glorious Steinbeck Darrow. Of course, I'm trying to do my best as close as I can get, of course, but the basics are there, you know. And this solo, it's very detailed focused. You know, everybody can play the licks and everything, but if you listen closely, the bendings and the vibrato and everything else is very, very important, very unique. So, well, I encourage you to subscribe to see more of this kind of material, and see you in another episode of Training with Gheeyeh. Subscribe, leave your comments down below, and see you in another episode. Show reel!